smell donuts.
Hey, roommate, guess what I got us today? I got some donuts.
Give it.
No. We're not going to eat them.
Why?
Because we're going to make it into a cocktail.
What kind of maniac puts donuts in a cocktail? Give it.
Some crazy European did. And I'm going to do what he did on YouTube. Trust me, it'll be good.
Will there be leftovers?
Maybe.
Okay.
Who likes donuts? Who likes cocktails? Who likes donuts in cocktails?
I still think you sound like a maniac.
Yeah, it does sound kind of crazy. But we saw this on YouTube just a couple weeks ago. And we're going to try two variations of it. We're going to try with an old-fashioned donut and a donut with sprinkles in two different spirits. Jameson cold brew coffee and Jameson Stout edition. What do you think?
I mean, I'm willing to give it a go.
Wait, hold on. I got something from our producer. You do? You got an important message for us.
Hi Riley, Carl, Oliver. I'm honored that you guys are trying out my recipe. Those sound like great variations, and I don't know doubt they will taste great. Cheers from Slovenia, from the Cocktail Time crew.
Thanks, Kevin, from all of us. We are super excited to try these. Mm-hmm. Now let's get underway.
Yes.
So again, we have 4 variations of them. And I will first say, I had a pain in the ass making these. And this is 100% my fault. I did not follow Kevin's recipe. I forgot the citric acid in it. And so it wouldn't clarify. I just made this milky liquid. And then a couple days later, I retried it, figured out what I did wrong. And now we have 4 good batches. So again, there's 2 of them that have an old-fashioned donut in it, 2 of them that have a sprinkled donut in it. Now, Riley doesn't know which ones are which.
Right.
And so we have the names of each one underneath here, or the variation. So we're going to try it, taste them, and see what we think of them.
Yeah. So what made you want to use the different types of Jameson?
So I went with the cold brew coffee as one of them because I thought that would be one that people would like because coffee and donuts in the morning.
There are entire brands that stake their industry on
right.
that.
There might be a donut that you dunk in somewhere. I don't know. But then the stout one, I just thought that would be kind of interesting because stouts, dark, creamy chocolate, some of them can be.
It's got the same properties as coffee, just in...
Right. Now, Kevin did Black Barrel in his, which I already know that would be amazing. We just wanted to try 2 different ones.
Yeah.
And the only other variation I did was I don't have coffee bitters like he used, but I used a capful of Mr. Black because Mr. Black is a little bit more bitter than other coffee liqueurs and it's coffee. So that is our variation. If you get 2 right, I get to eat one of the donuts. If you get all 4 right, then you get to eat one of the donuts afterwards. Not fair. She's really going to try hard, guys. Let's just start with your left.
All right.
So this is just 2 ounces of the infusion clarified with 4 drops.
Up so I don't see it, so I don't cheat.
Well, it's upside
down.
Fell
off the bottom.
I know it's upside down.
Yeah, but I'm tempted to cheat.
No donut for you.
This one smells cinnamon.
Okay. Oh, and the chocolate bitters we use is B Brothers because we did not make our chocolate bitters. What does it taste like?
Tastes like donut and whiskey.
Okay. This might be one of them too, where we have to kind of go into them and kind of revisit back them, like we did the White Russian episode.
Yeah, I'm getting a lot of the bitters. But the donut flavor is very delicately present. Mm-hmm. Like you can definitely tell it's there.
Yep.
And it's really good. It's light. It's not exceptionally sweet.
Mm-hmm. You can definitely taste whiskey, but it's not like pronounced like in a whiskey cocktail that you or anyone might be used to drinking.
Right. And that's the milk crunch clarification.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, adds that creaminess kind of to it. You know, it kind of takes out some of the burn.
This one smells more like donut.
Okay. And also to clarify too, this is the sourdough version of this donut. They sold a different version, and I just wanted to go with the sourdough because I like those better.
I don't know. That tastes very much the same as this one, but there's a small difference that I really can't identify.
Mm-hmm.
I think I have an idea.
I don't know if that one's sweeter or not, but the cinnamon...
It smells sweeter. There's less cinnamon in this one than there was in this one.
See, I think the opposite.
You're insane.
Thank you. I don't really remember which ones these are anymore. That intro took us pretty long.
Hey. 100% that's a sourdough donut.
Probably.
In the whiskey. Or in like the stout edition.
In the stout edition. Ooh, that one is like the creamiest of all of them, I think.
Creamiest?
I think so. The creamiest texture, like, closest thing, I think.
Both of these have to be the stout editions.
Okay.
These ones were a lot more coffee forward. These ones were definitely sweeter than the other two.
Yeah, these two completely tasted different than these two.
Yes.
So I agree with you. I believe that these also are the stouts.
The old-fashioned donut and then the risen donut, I think.
Whoa.
The risen donut's on the sprinkles.
Oh, you think these are... Oh, I'm sorry. You think these are both the stout ones.
Yes.
I see. Oh, yes. I see what you're saying. Yep. Okay.
Yes.
So again, sorry, one more time.
Old-fashioned stout.
Old-fashioned risen.
Mm-hmm.
Risen, old-fashioned, stout.
Yep.
Okay. So we'll do this. We'll put the stout on the right-hand side. And
That's my guess.
that's your guess. Okay.
Banking on the donuts here, guys.
So there's not a whole lot. There's only one that tasted more sour than everything else.
Right.
Everything else is pretty kind of similar. There's a little bit differences here and there between all of them.
I think I can definitely tell the distinction between the stout edition and the coffee or the cold brew. Not because of a difference in like flavor necessarily, but in like coffee richness or depth. Like it's not that I taste more coffee, it's that I feel like more coffee is there.
Right. Now, what do you think of it as like just a cocktail in general? Like, would you have this or ever want this again?
Based on what I assume to be, if I assume I'm correct, I would not use a sourdough donut. It's still stuck, kind of on the middle of my palate.
Right. So again, she thinks these are the stout versions of this donut, and she thinks this is the cold brew version of these donuts.
Yes. But I still think, with the exception of the stout sourdough combination, which is what I assume this is, I would drink all of them. Yeah. And for being strong cocktails, i.e. straight booze with a little bit of milk, I'm actually really happy with them.
Okay, you got that one correct.
Yes.
So I'm halfway to a donut. You did not get that one correct.
That's the cold brew? Old fashioned? Oh, I only get one donut so far.
Stout, old fashioned donut.
Oh, wow.
So you got only one right.
I only got one right.
So you get no donuts. And I get no donuts. This is a cold brew chocolate sprinkle. Wait. Yeah, that's right.
Wait, what? No. What happened? Is there more bitters in that one?
Oh.
Something funky happened to that one.
Yeah.
Whatever it is.
This is my favorite. The cold brew old fashioned.
You know,
I think I messed this one up. I might have put too much acidic acid in this one.
That would make sense.
Maybe. I mean,
because that's really sour.
Yeah, I might have put a little too much in there. I don't know. But now knowing which ones are what's your favorite one?
I mean, these two are still my favorite.
It's the old-fashioned donut that we like the most because that sour doughness.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I want to try this one not messed up, but because this one should not taste the way it tastes.
No, it shouldn't. And again, this is 100% not probably 100%. I did something wrong. I would think they should all taste very similar, just different little smidges of differentness here and there. So this is definitely great.
Oh, this is delicious.
Fun to do. It takes about 30 to 45 minutes to clarify each 4 ounces of one. So, just do it, let breakfast cook, and have this afterwards. So definitely worth trying out. Go check out Kevin's cocktail or video on this. And he's also, the video that he got inspiration from, James, should have looked it up. He's a very popular coffee channel. He's got over 1 million or something subscribers. Kevin is donating the first 6 months of ad revenue from his donut video to a charity of James' choice.
Oh, wow. That's really cool.
So I'll put the link into Kevin's video below us. Go watch it several times. Watch the ads all the way through, and so 6 months from now, they're going to be donating some money towards it. So that's awesome, guys.
Yeah.
But well, thanks for this awesome experiment for doing that. It was super fun. It was frustrating at first when I couldn't get this to work.
And then you realized you did it wrong.
I did it wrong. And Kevin was great. I kept talking to him back and forth about it, and then we finally figured it out. But awesome, Kevin. Thanks, guys, for the great video. And I guess we'll get a donut. We're going to cheers it. I can't take this woman anywhere. Have a great day, guys.